I'm teacher Najwa, and for today's handicraft, we are going to be making a school bus. Okay, so we're gonna be practicing some cutting skills today. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of cutting. We're gonna do a lot of cutting today. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the materials that we need to make the school bus. We need a black paper, yellow, white, and also a cream colored paper. We need black marker, pencil, scissors, and also glue. The first step is to use the yellow paper, and we're going to draw a school bus shape. Okay, so you can use the pencil and draw a shape like this. You can draw it as big as you can. When you're done, this is what it should look like. So after that, take a scissors and slowly cut out the bus shape. Make sure to follow the lines and be careful with your fingers. When you're done, put it aside and take out the white paper. So on the white paper, we're going to draw some shapes. The first shape is a rectangle. Okay, you can draw like that size. And after that, draw 3 squares like this. So the squares should be similar height to the rectangle that we drew just now. Then take out your scissors and carefully cut out the rectangle and squares. After that, take out the white paper again and draw 2 small circles like this. And then cut them out. Next, take the black paper and draw 2 circles that are slightly bigger than the white circles just now. You can use the white circle as a guide for you to draw a bigger black circle. When you're done, you can cut them out. Next, take out the cream paper and draw 1 big circle and 3 smaller circles, like this, and cut them out. Okay, so we have all the parts for the bus ready. Now we can assemble them. First, take the white rectangle and glue it here. Next, take the white squares and stick them on the bus like this. After that, take the white circles and stick them onto the black circles like this. Then, put some glue onto the back side of the black circle. Remember to just put the glue on half side of the circle. Next, stick the big cream circle on the rectangle window. And after that, stick the smaller circles on the windows like that. Take out your black marker and draw some hair, eyes, and mouth on the cream circles. Then draw 2 thick lines underneath the windows like this. And lastly, you can write the name of your bus underneath the line like this. There you have it. Our yellow school bus is done. Yay, we made it! So here we have the bus driver. Okay, so it's one type of a job that people do. And then here we have the school children. Okay, and then here we have the name of the school bus. Okay, yeah, so that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed making this. It was very simple, but we get to practice our cutting skills today. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.